see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Ring light, my skin looks. This is how I know how bad my skin is. No, my skin is good. I'm manifesting it right now. But like the camera, the lighting, I gotta get used to this. It's weird, but like I'm so happy I got it. It was so hot before because I was always scared that my phone was gonna fall or something. But now it's really steady and I can like adjust the lighting with this remote. It's not a remote, but like with this, so I can make it darker. I could change the color, like a blue light, yellow light, and then I can make the brightness, yellow light, brightness, reduce it, and you know, but I don't like yellow light though. White light probably. I just wanted to show you guys. I hope this is gonna help my quality of my videos because that was really bothering me. I didn't like how my videos were like yellow, because they always had this yellow color to it because the light I was using before had a yellow light, so I didn't like that. So I hope that this is gonna change the quality of my video and make it more interesting and more high quality to watch. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm gonna use this clip because I kind of look like a mess right now. I do look like a mess, oh my goodness, but I just wanted to update you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bake some brownies because I've been craving brownies for the longest time ever, and I'm gonna bake them and eat them while I watch Record of Youth. Oh my goodness, that drama is so good. I swear to God, it's so good. It's one of my favorite drama right now. I'm like, I don't know which episode I'm on right now. I think like probably episode 8, 9 or something like that. But that drama is so good. Like this is the best drama I've ever watched after The Goblin, because I really like the chemistry between the main lead and the second lead, the friendships, and also like the main couple because they just communicate, they don't have drama, they just talk. And I also like how I just like the plot of the drama because he's the aspiring an actor, and I'm so happy to see him succeed, you know. It's so weird. I was fangirling over him. And so much happened in like the short amount of time. I mean, it's normal for them to get into a relationship in like episode 5 to like 9. I would say that's a normal time frame where the main couple get into a relationship. But like for me, it felt like it was way sooner. In the first episode, so much happened. I was so confused because the main lead the main couple were already on a good terms the first time I met. I was like so confused. I thought I was like on episode 5, but then I went to look at which episode I was on, and it was on episode 1 or 2. I was so caught off guard, but I really like the drama. The drama is really, really good. If you haven't watched it, it's on Netflix. You can watch it. So good. All the episodes are out right now, so you can binge watch it. I really like Papa Kum. I love him so much. I loved him since he was in Reply 88. One of my favorite Reply series. But I'm talking way too much. I'm sorry. Next clip. Next clip.
I like you. I don't give a fuck about your boyfriend.
No, my boyfriend crazy. He kill people.
See her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that, yeah, who really care what Simon say. All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
바쁘시다고 하니 안 바쁜 내가 움직여야지.
뭐 먹을래?